Hello guys, this video has been prepared to explain the working of principal component analysis for laymen, non-specialists or non-experts. We will discuss the working of principal component analysis for visualization and dimensional reduction. This video will show how the principal component analysis enhances data visualization and can be used for dimensional reduction purposes. Only graphical explanation has been discussed in this video. So now let's start the slideshow. In this figure, a data set having 4 data points has been shown. These 4 data points are distributed in a 2D space of x-axis and y-axis. This is our data set having 4 data points, and this is x-axis and this is y-axis, and these data points are distributed in xy space. If we see the data points from x-axis, we find that only 2 data points are visible while the rest 2 hidden behind them. Thus, the visibility from x-axis is 50%, and we can explore the information about only 2 data points from x-axis. These are 2 points which are visible from x-axis, and these are points which are hidden behind these red points. So the visibility is 50%. Similarly, if we see the data points from y-axis, we find that only 2 data points are visible while the rest 2 hidden behind them. One point is common that was also visible from x-axis, and one is new which was hidden in the previous case. Thus the visibility from y-axis is also 50%, and we can explore the information about only 2 data points from y-axis like before. This is our y-axis, and these 2 points are visible from y-axis, and these 2 are hidden behind the green points. This is the point which is common and also can be seen from x-axis, and this is the new point which is visible from y-axis and cannot be seen from x-axis. In this case, the visibility is also 50%, since we can see only 2 points out of 4. Now, the main working of principal component analysis begins. Principal component analysis transforms the x and y axis to the new axis, let's say x dash axis and y dash axis. Now we see the data points from x dash axis. We find that we can see 3 data points and the rest is still hidden. Thus the visibility from x dash axis is 75%, and we can explore the information about only 3 data points from x dash axis. This is transformed axis by the principal components, and these are the original axis of our data set. Now these are the 3 points which are visible from x dash axis, and this is still hidden behind this point. So the visibility from x dash axis is 75%. The transformed axis obtained by the principal component analysis, also called principal components. So the axis which holds maximum information called first principal component, and the remaining axis called second principal component. So our exact axis is principal component 1, and y dash axis is called principal component 2. So the information content by the principal component 1 is 75% and the unique information content by the principal component 2 is 25%. Similarly, if we see the data points from BIDAS axis, we can see 3 data points and the rest is still hidden. 2 points are common that was also visible from X axis and one is new which was hidden in the previous case. Thus, the visibility from BIDAS axis is also 75% and we can explore the information about only 3 data points from BIDAS axis like the previous case. So this is our y-dash axis and these 3 points are visible from y-dash axis and this is still hidden behind this green points. So the visibility from y-dash axis is also 75%. In this case, since y-dash axis has more information, so this is our principal component 1 and the remaining is principal component 2. These 2 points are common points which are also visible from x-dash axis and this is the unique point which is visible from y-dash axis and behind when we see the points from x-dash axis. Now recall in the original distribution, the visibility of the x or y axis is 50%, while after applying the PCA on the data, visibility enhances to 75% from x axis or y axis. This is the effect of PCA on visualization. Moreover, if we reduce dimension by 1, we will lose 50% of the information in original case and 25% of the information in the case of principal component analysis. Thus, the PC is applied to data to reduce the dimension as well as enhance the visualization. Thanks for watching my video. Guys, if you found my video impressive or informative, then like, subscribe and share. Stay tuned for the next video.